Well, yes, overall a good set of numbers coming in for Trends quarter 3 FY26. If you take a look at the standalone revenue, that's come in at 5,259 crores, slightly ahead of the company's quarter 3 update estimate of 5,220 crores and an uptick of 16% on a year-on-year basis. Slightly weak in terms of the kind of revenue deceleration that we've seen, but yes, largely in line with what the street was estimating, and we'll get to that revenue slowdown, the growth slowdown in just a bit. The EBITDA has come in at 1,073 crores, an uptick of 27.3%, a beat versus the street's estimates. Net profit at 640 crores is up 36.3%, but this net profit was largely aided by other income that is up 3 times on the year-on-year basis at 153 crores compared to 51 crores. So yes, but on the back of this, nonetheless, the net profit is a beat versus the street estimates too, and the EBITDA margin has expanded very smartly, 20.4% compared to 18.6%, an uptick of 180 bips. Once again, a beat versus the street estimate of around 19.6% or even slightly lower than that. If you take a look at Trends revenue growth in quarter 3 FY25, this number was 40% and it's come down all the way now to 16% in just a year, and analysts estimate that the 16% revenue growth is the slowest for Trend in at least a decade, of course barring the COVID years. The labour cost impact that the company has seen has been classified as an exceptional loss of roughly 26 crores this time around. But talking about the store count, 17 stores were added for Westside and 48 for Zudio in quarter 3, taking the total to 278 for Westside and 854 for Zudio, with 4 stores in UAE and other lifestyle concepts at 32 stores. The portfolio now has over 1,100 large box fashion stores with presence across 274 cities. Footprint is over 15 million square feet across their fashion brands. The Star business on the other side, 79 stores in total, 6 added and 5 closed in the 9 months of the financial year. And Noel Tata, the chairman of Trent Limited, says that the customer sentiment is gradually improving. Business outlook for the medium term continues to remain positive. Focus continues on portfolio growth. They're looking to expand the business of Star, and they're also seeing and they're convinced that the Star business is well positioned to deliver growing consumer value. So yes, that's the take coming in on Trends quarter 3. Revenue more or less in line with what the street was estimating, even though there's been a deceleration once again. But yes, the PAT, EBITDA and EBITDA margin are a beat versus the street estimates.